Hello everyone. This is a short video on the all-new Streak.tech platform. To get started, click on Get Unlimited Access. On Streak.tech, you will find a repository of pre-built scanners and strategies. You can click on any of the 8 scanners on the left to see the results. You can also edit the scanner parameters and run scan to see latest results. Similarly, you can also discover pre-built strategies. Click on View All Strategies to browse through our entire repository. Log into the platform to be able to use all the features like copying a scanner and taking it live. To take a scanner live and get real-time alerts, click on Take Live, select the alert frequency, and click on Take Live again. To see all the scanners that are live, click on Live Scanners. Now let us look at strategies. In our new UI, you can toggle between Discover Strategies and My Strategies. You can quickly make edits to your strategy and run a backtest. You can also select the stocks that you want to deploy, edit your deployment parameters, and deploy it as virtual or as a live deployment. The strategy is now deployed as live deployment. You can go to Deployed Strategies to see all the live deployments and toggle between Waiting, Entered and Stopped to see the status of the strategy. You can also toggle between virtual and live deployments. You can also access order book and positions, which are synced with Kite order book and positions. We hope this video was useful. Write to us at support@streak.tech if you have any questions.